In this lecture, I will give the finishing touch of this t-shirt design. Now from the left toolbar, I just click and hold this rectangular, and this time I choose, and this time I select elliptical marquee tool. Now holding shift, I just draw a circle like this, and this time I select paint bucket tool and change my color from red to white. Now I just draw this one. Alright, now I select elliptical marquee tool again, and holding shift I just draw another circle. Now I click paint bucket tool, and using the color picker I just select this red color and hit on OK, and I just draw this circle in red. Now I navigate to the move tool, and this time I set it in just this position, and I press Ctrl D to deselect. That's it. So our designing is now complete. In our next lecture, we will learn how to export this design with transparent background. Thank you so much for watching.